Hello, welcome back to Aromananda. In today's pranayam session, we will be doing Kapalabhati. In Kapalabhati, we take breaths in and we exhale in rapid succession. There is no holding period in Kapalabhati. We are holding our hands in Vayu Mudra today. And also, as you inhale and exhale rapidly, make sure that your stomach essentially necessitates along with your breath. Meaning to say, it is in sync and is moving along with each breath. Meaning on the in stroke, it goes inward. And on the exhale, it goes out.
Let's begin Kapalabhati. We are sitting in Vayu Mudra now. Let's close our eyes. And we are going to begin with a quick succession of inhalation and exhalation. Let's begin. Basically, when you exhale out, you make a sound through your nostrils. So you are rapidly breathing out. Quick inhalation, quick exhalation. And when you exhale, you make a sound.